Hey guys, welcome back to How to Geek. In today's geeky video, I'm going to show you how you can get Crunchyroll Premium from the Crunchyroll mobile app. So first of all, open the Crunchyroll app on your phone. And for this, you need to be logged into your account first. So if you haven't logged in or don't have an account on Crunchyroll, you can watch our other videos on how to do that. I'll leave the link in the description. And after you're logged into your account, what you have to do is tap on the account option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now there you can see membership plan, which is the first option. Tap on it. Now tap on Go Premium. Now you can see different options over here. The first one is $7.99 for a month, and the second one is $9.99 for a month. Third one is for annual fee, which is $999.99. So choose the deal that you want to get for your Crunchyroll account, and after you have chosen, tap on it. Now you'll see what benefits you'll get after purchasing this premium plan. So if you are happy with this, tap on Start Subscription. Now you just have to confirm your payment and you'll successfully get Crunchyroll Premium on your account. So this is all for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.